Hi, I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today we're making cheese omelette. First we will need our ingredients. We will need some cheese, some tomatoes, a bit of milk, some eggs and a food bag. First we will need to turn the heat on our pan. Then we will need to chop up our tomatoes. Then we will need to add in our tomatoes and cheese to our food bag. Then we will need to whisk our eggs. When they're all mixed in, we need to add in our milk to our eggs and give them another whisk. Now this is all mixed together, we'll need to add our eggs into our food bag. Before we add this in, we'll need to wait for our water to boil. Now the water's boiling, we need to add in our eggs in our bag. This will need about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, or until the eggs are set. Okay, so it's had about 10 minutes and it's ready to come out. So we need to turn off the heat and bring it up. We should be able to just pour it out like this, but it will be hot. And here is your lockdown lunch.